to pack the luggage now. Yung luggage pa nila dito ay 100 days na lang. Ito yung longest flight namin going to Beijing. So it will take like 9 hours siya, guys. Look at my husband. He removed his show you. He removed his shoes in there, so he's now more relaxed. We were hungry, guys, because we have not really eaten anything today. Like only snacks lang and chocolates. So we're waiting for the food in the plane. We're excited and we're hungry. Now it is 8:45. So it's a 9-hour flight. Ito yung papanoorin ko, guys. Alita.
Where they have two fingerprint in there. Oh, need to be fast. We need to fast. Please give me the pen.
Now, last stop, we're going to Guangzhou. Last flight na to siya. We just arrived here at Guangzhou Airport, guys. So super exhausted kami kasi in total yung binyahe namin is like 24 hours siya, guys. Nakakaloka. Now it's 9:30 na ng gabi. Get muna namin yung luggage namin. So waiting for our luggage. Wala pa siya. Oh my god, ito yung pinaka-exhausting flight ever, guys. Compared sa every time we go Philippines, ito yung pinaka-exhausting kasi Philippines is just like 18 to 19 hours. It's okay, and we have stopover at Hong Kong. We can rest there. Ito yung pinaka like literal na 24 hours, guys. First time namin dito, so expect the thrill at mga adventures. From here at Guangzhou, we're gonna move to Foshan. We're gonna take a cab, so I hope walang magsuscam sa atin. Guangzhou Airport, we need to travel like almost an hour din siya to Foshan. Doon kami magsistay for first kasi dun yung first game ng FIBA. By the way, we are here in China kasi we're supporting our Philippine team in World Cup FIBA. Yay! I go in bag. We got it. We're now here at the taxi, guys. So we just got the one-line option. We just need to show the address in Chinese. Finally, we are here now. It's actually 11:39. Pero check-in muna kami, guys.
I don't know, but somehow this one reminds me about Vegas.
So, ito yung front desk nila dito. Waiting line pa kami. Oh my God, cute. And ito yung lobby nila. Oh my God.
Peppa Pig.
Oh, Peppa Pig. Oh my God, look at the lobby, guys. Meron sila aquarium here and the top bar siya. Ito yung entrance. Super nice. We are on the 30th floor. We have arrived here now sa aming hotel, guys. Finally, makapag-rest na tayo. Actually, mag-aano na ngayon, guys. 12 na. Ano ba itong strap ko? Oh my God, we've been traveling 24 hours. So, yeah. We're staying here at Hilton at bongga, guys. Kasi when we entered at the entrance, meron kami nakitang desk ng FIBA. So, we wonder anong ganap doon. Maybe inquiries, I don't know. Front desk, they upgrade us to executive. Before, I think we book superior. Tapos, they upgrade us to, executive. I wonder also if meron ba silang meron ba mga players dito sa FIBA nagsistay? So FIBA. From Tor. Ito yung main door nila. Napakaganda ng pa-tiles nila dito. Tapos sleeper, bathrobe. Yay! Iron! I need to iron our clothes kasi super wala akong time makapag-iron. So ito yung toilet nila. Let me turn on their lights. Oh, high-tech sila. Digital yung ano nila dito. Ay go, yeah. Oh, social. Meron silang pa-bathtub dito. Hindi ko alam kung gagamitin namin to. But we'll see. Super linis. Ayan, ito yung ano nila. Lababo. May towel tayo dito. Tissue. May sabon. Tapos may parang ano sila dito. May huwagang kahonan. Dito yung mga amenities. Toilet amenities. Kompleto to siya, guys. Kompleto. Ayan, may salamin din sila dito. Ayan. And then, separated yung toilet nila at saka shower room. So, ito yung toilet. Nice. At shower room. Bongga, malaki siya. Wow, I love this. OOTD. Dito ako mag-OOTD. Kasi sobrang laki ng mirror nila. Ito yung bed nila. I guess this is king size, I guess. So, dito yung part ko, dito sa husband ko. And ito yung in-upgrade nila. Kasi yung superior, wala silang ganitong upuan. Flat screen TV, sobrang laki. And then, meron silang free water, coffee maker. Wow, social. Ganito yung coffee nila. Pa-social yung mga kape na. 3-in-1 lang naman kasi yung mga bed ko. Ito, hindi siya free. Ayan, meron siyang parang office. Gustong-gusto ito ng husband ko kasi may pa-office sila dito. And then, yung fridge nila. Yung fridge, ayan, yung laman. Hindi siya free. Wow. So, hindi natin siya kita, guys. Sobrang dilim. So, hindi kita. Sobrang dilim. So, I'm just gonna show you tomorrow na lang. At ito pala, guys, napakabongga. Kasi yung parang office, kumpleto siya. May scissor. Ito, mga Keverlo na kagamitan. At yung wifi, guys, andito yung modem sa wifi. Grabe. Bumaba pala kami kanina, guys, kasi bumili ako ng noodles kasi ayoko mag-order sa hotel kasi it needs kailangan mong magbayad ng extra 15%, so sayang. So meron silang tindahan dito, maliit na store sa labas, sa loob ng hotel. To noodles, try ko siya, Chinese noodles. Tapos chips. Kanina pala sa baba, guys, we came across sa isa sa mga player na opponent ng Philippines, yung Italia team. So, he was a nice guy naman. He greeted us. So, we'll see sa game or we'll see more players dito sa hotel. So, maybe dito sila, most of them nag-check-in. Spicy. Tomorrow, it will be our first full day in Foshan. So, samahan nyo kami kung anong ganap tomorrow. I don't know yet. Pero, we have a company, like, meron kaming friends na darating sila later. Yeah, later, early in the morning. So, hopefully, magkikita kami maybe in the afternoon. We'll see. Okay guys, good night guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Tatakpan ko aking pimples kasi ang ugly niya. Goodbye!